Alright, now we can put this strap through. I had to pull really hard. So, yeah, we just have to slot this through like that, and should be fine to go through. Yes, perfect fit for it. Yes. Oh, wrong way. Whoops. It's supposed to be this way, eh? Ta-da! I think it's possible, so yeah, we can soft mount with this. So let's so we'll do that, eh? Get a few pieces of this, and it's the DIY way of doing things, like old school. We're going old school here. Okay, I'll see you after. Okay, I've got the piece of electrical tape, and we can put a stick over the top here, like so. We'll do 3 pieces, so 3 pieces should do. Three or 4. So considering how we don't really have much that much the screw won't be long enough. I think if we go to 4, I think 3 is enough. I believe 3 is pretty good, because I've tried soft mounting with the cream puff that I have, and I really like the way that flies and how it feels. Feels very locked in. So I believe soft mounting does work. It's not all hype. But it's not a new thing, soft mounting. Like in the past, they have soft mounting with the grommets and the isolation, the gel isolation balls. The one that DJI uses for their gimbals on their cameras, something like that. Here we are. So, gotta do this for the other 3 arms, and then cut it as closely as possible. Should be alright there. So much sticky tape there. Let me try and get as close as possible. I think that's pretty close. That should be alright. Now this will be on the bottom. I don't know how well it will fit there. Oh, cool. Yeah, it's nice. And the sides, from the side, you can't even tell. But yeah, really nice. Very nice indeed. Alright, so now we poke the holes. Let's poke some holes into this. There you are. Oh, whoops. My bad. Where's the hole, damn it? Oh, there we go. There we go. There we go. There we go. Lovely. Alright, now I'll do the rest and meet you back here. Very nice.